Hi, good morning. Today is the day before Memorial Day, and we have Claire and her boyfriend and Gracie coming over. We've been able to be with them off and on from, 6 feet apart, but we're going to be all out here today, and I am going to be making 2 beer can chickens on the grill, and I'm going to be roasting some garlic for some garlic bread. Let's see, what else am I doing? I think asparagus. I'm probably gonna roast those on the grill also, and maybe some sort of potato, just simple. And then I'm making the Memorial Day Scotcheroos. Gotta have those. So I'm getting ready to start the cooking process and making sure the outdoor area is good. So having my morning coffee, and let's get going. So I'm gonna do 3 of these heads of garlic, and I have a ton of garlic. I need to use it up anyway because I thought I was ordering 2 things, heads of garlic. I think the individual pieces are cloves and these are heads. Anyway, bulbs maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I thought I ordered 2 when I had a grocery order delivered, and instead it was in pounds. So I got 2 pounds, which was about 12 or 14 of these. So I have a lot, and so I'm going to roast 3 of them. I just get rid of some of the paper, but not much. The skins. Just cut the top part off. Like that. Aluminum foil. Olive oil. Sea salt. Black pepper. Wrap that up, place it in a shallow pan, into the toaster oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. Or your regular oven, whichever. So if you're new with me, or you just totally missed my whole Memorial Day Scotcheroo story, the quick story is that I grew up in Indiana, and at Memorial Day weekend, actually on Memorial Day, was the Indianapolis 500 race, which is a big, big deal, especially in Indiana because it happens in Indiana. And that was always a big weekend to watch the race, celebrate Memorial Day, and so forth. So growing up, living in Indiana back in the 70s when I was growing up, the race was not on TV. You could only hear it on the radio if you lived in Indiana because they wanted you to go to it. Well, we didn't always do that. But anyway, we would always be outside with the radio and the race going and so forth, listening to it. And we always had Scotcheroos. We had some sort of a cookout type of a meal and Scotcheroos. Scotcheroos basically is a dessert. It's absolutely delicious. It's just, there's nothing good about it. It's massive amounts of sugar. You know, good for you. There's nothing good for you about it. It's massive amounts of sugar. And we have it once a year and it's amazing. So anyway, I will quickly show you my Scotcheroo recipe again in case you missed it and you want to try it. I suggest everybody tries it at least once. You'll get addicted, I'm promising you. Anyway, here's how it all goes. So what you will need for this is a 13 by 9 inch pan to put it in. 6 cups of crisp rice, you know, like a Rice Krispie cereal type of thing. 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips. I use the semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 cup of butterscotch chips. These you will melt together and it'll be the icing on top. And I'll quickly put this together for you and show how it works. In this pan, I have water and this dish, so to make a double boiler and get that hot so we can melt the chips together. The butterscotch and the chocolate chips into the bowl. In the meantime, we're going to heat this pan, add the 1 cup of syrup, there's a 1/2 cup, and a whole cup. You mix this together until it boils. See, it's boiling, bubbling up a little. Add the peanut butter. All mixed like this. Then to that, you add your 6 cups of Rice Krispies. for the garlic butter, I have Kerrygold butter, putting it in my little mini Cuisinart thingy, adding some of the roasted garlic, and we're just gonna smush that up together to make the garlic butter. So here's what you have with the roasted garlic. And then, just take some of this away. Basically just take it and squish the roasted garlic out. Little bit more. There we go. Runny at this point, but put it in a bowl and it will harden up in the refrigerator. Okay, let's see. things are coming together. The chicken's looking good. The potatoes are almost done. The chicken needs to come up for a little bit more temperature before I take that off and get that all sliced up and so forth. Green beans are almost done. I'm gonna just take them off the heat and let them just sort of sit before they're completely done so they don't get yucky and mushy. And it's looking good. I made a big fruit salad too. I didn't show you that, but I did. And it's all coming together and it's gonna be yummy. I'm hungry. It was a wonderful, wonderful.